In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what you can and cannot do when it comes to changing the primary column in Smartsheet, along with the best alternatives available. First, open the sheet you want to work with in Smartsheet. Before making any changes, it's important to understand that Smartsheet does not allow you to change or move the primary column in an existing sheet. Every sheet has one fixed primary column that cannot be reassigned to another column. If your goal is simply to make the primary column more relevant to your workflow, you can rename it. Just double-click the primary column header and enter a new name that better matches your data, such as task name, project name, client, or item ID. If you need a different column to act as the primary column, you'll need to create a new sheet. When setting up the new sheet, place the column you want as the primary column in the first position during creation. After creating the new sheet, copy or import your existing data into it and reorganize the columns as needed. If starting over isn't practical, consider using filters, reports, sorting, and formulas to highlight the information that's most important, even if it isn't stored in the primary column. Taking a few minutes to organize your sheet structure correctly can make reporting, collaboration, and project tracking much easier later on. That's it. You've learned how primary columns work in Smartsheet and the available options for adapting them to your workflow. Thanks for watching.